Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 2nd June 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. Let us start off by first taking a look at Nifty. Nifty opened lower and traded flat with a negative bias till 12:30 p.m., after which it reversed course to move higher and end the day in the green. The NSE index closed at 23,483.55, up about 0.43% or 100.95 points from yesterday's close. Today's gains were mostly due to value buying at lower levels, a mild correction in crude oil prices and tailwinds due to recovery seen in Asian bourses. The sectoral indices traded mixed today with IT gaining a whopping 4.23% as massive buying was seen in counters of all major players in the sector. Pharma ended up being the worst performing sector. Volatility took a massive dip. After today's gains, levels need to be adjusted upwards, with new supports being at 23,400, followed by 23,260, while resistances will be at 23,565, followed by 23,680. For tomorrow, you may expect consolidation to continue within a range. There may be a slight negative bias in case profit booking is witnessed or due to continued FII exit amid uncertain geopolitical scenario and a weak rupee. A marked spike in crude oil prices may affect Nifty negatively. However, further recovery following today's momentum may not be ruled out. Nifty may be expected to be bullish if 24,000 is reclaimed on the upside, while bearish sentiment may be expected below 23,260. Let us now check out how Sensex traded. Sensex fared better than Nifty once again today, with the BSE index closing at approximately 74,650, up by 0.52% or approximately 383 points. Levels need to be readjusted upwards, with supports now being at 74,600, followed by 74,190, while resistances will be at 75,135, followed by 75,690. Sensex may be expected to regain positive momentum above 76,645, while a break below 74,190 could lead to lower levels. Now, for a look at what has been happening for crude oil prices are trading mostly range-bound with a negative bias today as the commodity corrected after a spike seen yesterday evening. Breakdown in talks between US and Iran due to Israel's attacks on Lebanon will support prices in the short term as uncertainty returns in the West Asia conflict. Volatility has spiked once again at the energy counter. Levels for crude oil may be kept unchanged, with supports being at 8,565, followed by 8,440, while resistances will be at 8,755, followed by 8,880. For today, despite the correction seen in prices due to the ongoing nature of the Middle East conflict, a reversal may not be ruled out. A close watch needs to be kept on news from the region, as any flares up will result in a sudden uptick. Despite the negative momentum seen thus far, taking contrarian long positions near supports with strict stop losses seems to be the prudent view for now. Crude oil will be bullish if 8,880 is breached on the upside, while a break below 8,440 will send the commodity lower. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. HUL has inaugurated an AI-powered fragrance hub in Mumbai aimed at accelerating product innovation and enhancing consumer-focused fragrance development. The facility combines artificial intelligence, consumer insights, and scientific research, further strengthening India's position as a key global R&D hub for Unilever. Transrail Lighting secured new orders worth 575 crore rupees across its transmission and distribution and pole businesses, reinforcing its strong project pipeline. The company's order book stood at over 16,300 crore rupees as of March end, reflecting healthy growth visibility and sustained demand for infrastructure projects. Meesho has partnered with the Bombay Stock Exchange under an initiative called Project Shikhar to help MSMEs and digital sellers prepare for public listings. The program aims to guide high-performing e-commerce businesses towards IPO readiness and facilitate their potential listing on the BSE platform. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted this weekend On Saturday at 3 p.m., Mr. Amol Chape will be conducting a webinar on the topic Buying Strategy SL Hunting plus Fibonacci Retracement combined for high probability entries. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Smart Momentum Setup for high probability option buying strategy. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.